So you might be in a situation where for some reason iOS 26.4.2, this particular update is just not showing up when you're actually going through and trying to install this update. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, you want to make sure that you have an iPhone that is supported on this version of software. Sometimes you might be using or installing a version of software on your phone that is already not available. If you're on an iPhone that's older than an iPhone 11, you will not be able to get iOS 26. Keep that in mind. But if the update is still missing and you are on iOS 26, you might just want to make sure that you're fully connected to some sort of internet connection. That is pretty much number one. As you can see, I don't have the internet connection, enabled, so that's why I'm unable to check for an update. So make sure that is not the case. That's going to be a pretty big one. If that's not a problem, you might also want to just double check and make sure you have enough storage saved on your iPhone. Sometimes it might be a storage problem, and that'd be another thing. So go inside of your iPhone general settings right over here, click into iPhone storage, and just go through and just basically make sure you don't have storage problems. That'll be another thing. You can also try going through and try restarting your iPhone. So hold the volume up in the side button, basically slide the power off, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem, which again, for a lot of people, that might end up fixing it. And if you're still having installation issues, maybe you can try plugging in your iPhone to your computer, and that should end up fixing this problem for you as well. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.